So I'd like to welcome Dan Dickerson from SiriusXM Marine. And Dan, we've been talking all season long about how myself and our guides are using SiriusXM Marine. So why don't we do a little recap?
Okay.
So first off, we talked about weather. So let's pull up the first slide and see what happens. In regards to a precipitation,
right?
What do we need to know?
Well, the advantage of SiriusXM is we're going to give you the bird's eye view of a storm. And when people hear SiriusXM, what we're trying to get across, and what you've done a great job helping introduce people to, is we're not just music, we're not just SiriusXM radio. We're able to transmit via our satellite a graphic image, and that image is going to show up on your chart plotter. So what you're going to see is the boat in the center of the screen, and we're going to show you storms that are around you and lightning strikes that are around you.
And through a series of looping all those images together, then we obviously can tell which way it's moving.
Right.
Our next one obviously is wind. Why don't we explain this?
The next thing we do is we show you wind and wave information. So we're going to show you current conditions, and there'll be a symbol on screen that will show you the direction and the speed of the wind. There's a symbol on screen, the red arrow shows you the direction of the waves, and then also wave height. The
Right.
color that you see there is your wave height. Where the boat is right now, it's green. Those are probably 7-footers. You can see off to the side, there's the yellow. We want to stay away from there. They're probably 11-footers, getting a little rough out there.
All
for
right,
small
so
boats.
marine zones is something else we talked about.
Marine zones, that's right. Normally you turn on your VHF radio and listen to the weather, but gosh, that's a long message and they talk about a big area. We've made it a lot simpler. We've highlighted what the zones are, and you can literally point to the zone you want and bring up the text information so you don't have to listen to it.
You don't have to wait till it goes a full
Right.
cycle. And then obviously what a lot of fishermen are using is sea temps.
Sea surface temperature.
So let's talk a little bit. Obviously we got the boat running down along the red edge there. That
Right.
could be where the bait's going to stack up.
You got it. Not only knowing what the temperature is, you're going to get that off your transducer on your boat, but what we're giving you is, again, the big picture, and we're showing you where the breaks are, where the temperature is changing. So that boat, it's running from red to yellow. You want to follow that line, and that's going to show you the boat.
So Dan, no product out there in the market that can give us weather, precipitation, waves, buoy information as well. I mean, so SiriusXM does it all for us.
That's right. Everything delivered right there on your chart plotter. You don't have to go fumbling for your cell phone, which isn't going to work more than 6 miles off anyway.
Now, guys, if you want to know about some discounts and a free trial offer, you can simply go to SiriusXM.com/FIFR. Thank you so much, Dan. You did a wonderful job. Good job. All right, Bree, we got to go on to another region. As hard as it is to quit talking about our weather.
I know, we're getting serious in here. Sorry, I couldn't pass that up.